Peter, some people have asked us, can I still recover money damages from what appears to just be a minor rear end car wreck?
Well, so the simple answer is yes. And the reason is, just because it's what appears to be a minor rear end collision doesn't necessarily mean that there weren't serious injuries. What needs to be done, like we've mentioned in other videos, is you need to go seek the appropriate medical care following that rear end collision. First of all, those rear end collisions are typically the largest source of whiplash, for example. Whiplash can lead to significant injuries in your neck and back. That needs to be looked at by a medical provider. You need to get the appropriate medical plan in place. You need to have the appropriate imaging that's needed to fully evaluate what you suffered from that rear end collision. All those things come into play. So what looks like a minor rear end collision with minor property damage could actually end with some kind of serious, permanent, and debilitating physical injury.